Namaste and welcome to Sonali Joshi's Astrojyoti Healing. In today's video, we are going to see transit of Sun and Saturn in the sign of Capricorn. So this video is about conjunction of Sun and Saturn in the sign of Capricorn. If you are new to astrology, you know that Capricorn is a sign owned by Saturn. Capricorn is about hierarchy, it is about rules, responsibilities, higher social status. And Saturn is about democracy. Saturn is about sacrificing something, putting in rules, putting in restrictions. And hence, Capricorn is a sign which gives people success when they use the social structure, social hierarchy, and work harder to go their own ultimate goal. And when Sun comes into this sign of Capricorn, when the owner's Saturn is already there, it means these are the two opposite planets getting into the sign of Capricorn. Sun is all about individuality, individualism, and Saturn is about masses, common people. And hence, when two of these planets are conjunct in the sign of Capricorn, it is known as power struggle. It is also known as common people coming together, working hard, making efforts to win their ultimate goal. And hence, this conjunction is usually considered as a difficult conjunction to have. If this conjunction is in Capricorn, what does it indicate? It indicates somebody will have to slog a lot. Somebody will have to find a way through the restrictions, through the social order to come to a higher status. Now, sign Capricorn has 3 nakshatras. It is a nakshatra of Uttarashadha, then nakshatra of Shravan and nakshatra of Dhanishta, out of which all of these nakshatras are comparatively easy for the Sun to go through. However, for Saturn, since it owns this sign, when Sun comes to that sign, it creates a major issue. So, in 2020 and 2021, if this conjunction is happening, it indicates it is a power struggle. Common people might revolt, might try to go against the people in power. They can bring change of power. They can bring transition. They can bring some mergers as well as acquisitions. It also indicates some people might be asked to let go from their power and new ones will climb the hierarchy. We do sense this turbulence, we do sense this uncertainty, and hence this conjunction is a difficult one to carry if you have this one in your natal horoscope. Whenever Sun is in the sign of Capricorn or it is in the sign of Aquarius, along with Saturn, what does it indicate? It indicates the ego membrane. An individual's ego is usually constrained. This ego expansion is usually constrained and restrained due to economic pressures. So you might find big organizations, MNCs, luxurious product companies, they will try to bring out their products in a way that they are affordable for masses. Since Saturn is already present in the Capricorn, these people have to let go of their ego and think about common man. Think about profits. Think about higher profits by keeping the product cost low. Sun-Saturn conjunction means individual versus society, king versus commoner, individual creativity versus social law. It means people will have to express themselves by taking into account what is considered as right thing in the society. And hence, we will see this turbulence, we will see certain changes happening in individual's life, in any organization, or in the society which are favorable for common man. In 2020, while this conjunction is happening, we also have Jupiter in the sign of Capricorn, and hence it will try to amplify all those efforts. If you are looking for famous people who have this Sun-Saturn conjunction in the sign of Capricorn, then they are Michelle Obama and John Rockefeller. Usually, if any individual has this conjunction in any sign, then they are working hard to get approval from their father figures, or their bosses. If you know the mythological story of Sun and Saturn, planet Saturn is, in a mythological story, son of the planet Sun. And the story goes like this: Saturn has to always work harder to seek attention of his father. When this conjunction is happening by transit, we might find politicians to be annoying, and we may find the bureaucratic systems are somehow very oppressive. While this conjunction is going to happen in the sign of Capricorn, always remember that there will be some resistance to individual creativity. We may have limited entitlements. Whatever intelligence we have to use discipline to make sure that intelligence is noticed. We may find there is somebody who is working as an authority or regulator in terms of all sorts of creativity. So if you are a publisher, if you are a producer, maybe you are a director of a movie, then you guys will be very critical in choosing your crew, choosing your cast, or choosing your authors, writers. Anybody who is in the authority of making selection will be highly judgmental, will be highly critical, and those of you who are competing, those of you who are doing auditions, or they are applying for certain positions, they will have to go 1 mile extra in order to get selected, get noticed. That means more efforts, more hard work, and less expectations for all of us. So what are the professions or what are the careers that people with Sun-Saturn conjunction can have? Usually these people are good at any field. They are hard workers. They have good understanding of democracy as well as politics. They have good understanding of systems. They are good in individual creativity. However, they will have to go through the hierarchy to reach to the higher position. And fortunately in Capricorn, it is at least possible, because Saturn will usually give people what they are looking for. It won't deny. If this conjunction of Saturn Sun is in some other sign, then results could be different. Just a note here, if this Sun-Saturn conjunction is happening in your first house in the horoscope, your Lagna, then sometimes people may have body ache, issues with headache, severe migraine, or depending on the malefic aspects related to the Sun-Saturn combination, some people are known to have issues like seizures and epilepsy. This combination, if it is in the sign of Aries or Lagna or in Leo, it is going to put some karmic code, some restrictions in enjoyment. So what care one can take while this conjunction is happening? So what is the care that one can take while this conjunction is happening in the sign of Capricorn? You always remember not to be too commercial. Take your time, do hard work, do not try to find any loopholes, because Saturn, the owner of Capricorn, being right there, it's likely that whatever shortcuts you are taking could be caught and you will be severely penalized. Hope this helps to understand the conjunction of Sun and Saturn, the opposite forces, opposite energies in the sign of Capricorn. Please like this video, share this video with your friends, and please subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Namaste, thank you, शुभमस्तु.